Alright, let's get started. To me, I just gonna go with a circle. If it's hard for you to do a circle, here's another way. Okay, the trick is like this. Okay, I want to put it down a bit. Okay, you can ignore this one. Alright, that's number one. I want to do 2 cherries though. And here's my number 2, the second one. Alright, looks like that. And then I'm shaping them. Alright, so I want to make it like this a bit. Let's see. It's going down like that. And then curve this area a bit. Yeah. So you can just draw along with me. You can pause it a bit. And then follow the step. Maybe it's like this. You see the sound of my pencil? Alright, now another one. Okay. How about let's make it like down here. Let's make it like that. Okay, you should relax and enjoy the process. Maybe it doesn't look like a cherry. Look weird. But wait and see. Maybe I can put some changing on it. Alright, now. We have to shape this one first. Okay, let's start doing it. Take your time, no rush. Okay, I have to think first. Where it's supposed to be. Okay. Again, the light's supposed to be from the left top. Yeah. Okay, if it's like that, then I might darken this area. Right, maybe like this. Don't put too much pressure on it. Do it a little bit by a little bit. Right? Can you see it? It's starting shaping. I'm trying to make it look like a little bit 3-dimensional. Ow, I'm doing this outside actually. I'm getting bitten by the ants and mosquitoes. So you have to do it like slowly. Is there any cherry like this shape? Or is it just round? Well, in art, you can do almost anything. Yeah? A pig can fly if you just want to draw it, right? Yes, just agree with me. Because nothing can stop your imaginations. No limit. Right. I think that's it for the first one. Okay, maybe I can just put a little shading here. Right, and make it a bit darker here to make it looks like round. Okay, maybe we can add some details here. Just put some shading that put more pressure on it too. And then well, the tricky part is here. Like, you have to draw the shadow as well, but my way is like start with a anything line like this, and right about this much, and then start shading. So all the drawing today is only with pencil. We're not using color yet, but we will go there. Get close to the object. The shadow is supposed to be stronger. Then getting lighter once it's started to go further away. Okay, maybe just like that. Alright, now the cherry. Shade it. Okay, don't worry if you're like accidentally make mistake. Like sometimes you circle it up like this, like circling. I'm using AB pencil, so you have to be careful if you want to do it like me, because AB pencil is strong, they're soft and strong, but they're hard to erase once we put it there. So if you think you are going to use erasers, I suggest you to use 2B pencil. This is 8B. Stedler. Yeah, the brand. You want to see? Ah, you can't see it. Yeah, it's Stedler. Yeah, here, Stedler. Right, back to our drawing. Slowly, like gradually, you intensify the area that need to be dark. Line here. Don't shade them all. Yeah, leave some area for the highlight. Except you have eraser with you. I don't bring the eraser. I just go out and I feel like I want to draw something to share with you, so I start doing it. Almost done. It takes time, huh? Oh, maybe I have to strong the shadow here so we can see the shape of the cherry. Right, can you see it? Yeah. Alright, now the shadow, I think from here. And here. Woo! Yeah, sometimes you need to use the tip of the pencil if you want to work on the edges of the object. And start. Okay, maybe stronger. I have one type of pencil only today. And then put more pressure on it. So it's not really soft. It's stronger when close to the object, and gradually lighter when it's far apart from the object. Right, that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't give up when you're trying. Bye for now.